What's good, everyone? Welcome to my channel. Today I've got another sneaker unboxing for you, and this one is a little bit fancier than the last one I did. The last one I did was some pickups from Yahoo auctions that were really inexpensive and shoes that I wanted to get and try anyways. Specifically the Nike Pegasus that I picked up that had this kind of Japan kimono colorway. I'm going to do a full review, but initial reports, it's a bit of a disappointment. What I've got in the box today, however, is actually the real running shoes I meant to pick up as a replacement to the Ultra Boosts I've been running in. I did a video earlier where I showed my Ultra Boosts that I've been running in and how I really love those shoes. So when I saw that these were on sale, it made perfect sense that this would be the pickup that I would go for next. So, let's get into it. As well, this came to me from our friends over at Sneakers and Stuff, which does have a Japan branch. And, okay, they've got a pretty badly printed Sneakers and Stuff, like an order anketo, or a, what's the English word, survey or review, but it's printed really poorly, and it's got, I mean, it's not even cut, it's chopped off funny on the side. That's not very impressive. Okay. Oh yeah. Adidas 4D box, and this is a 4D Sneakers and Stuff collaboration, and they are actually still really on sale, and so the price I paid for these is far cheaper than pretty much any other 4D I could find anywhere on any website. And I did some research to see if this really was that great of a deal on this type of shoe, and even on Yahoo auctions I couldn't find a cheaper pair. So legit, unused, from Sneakers and Stuff, and they came in a colorway that I have real problems saying no to. Anything that's orange and anything that's purple, I just love. And these are an orange colorway. Okay, Adidas paper, and voila, 4D Sneakers and Stuff. It says SNS on the heel there, and then the other side, these released in 2019, so we have Los Angeles 2019, and this is supposed to be an inspired colorway based on Los Angeles sunsets. Seriously dope colorway. I really love orange, and I'm always going to go for it. And I almost, if I could justify buying two pairs, I would have bought the other version too, because I got a purple one, and that might be the one I go for next. But I think I'd get in big trouble if I bought, you know, basically three pairs of running shoes at once and spent all that money. But these were marked as 70% off, and like I said, they were cheaper than I could find any sort of 4D anywhere. My first impression in hand is that, you know, I bought these because I was reading Ultra Boost reviews, and I was reading reviews on these to see what people thought of them as a running shoe. And a lot of the things I read was that these were like the Ultra Boost but better. And because I love my Ultra Boost, I thought, well, great, that seems like a no-brainer that I would get the next best thing, or no, that's the wrong expression, a better thing than what I already like. But I have to say, in hand, my first impression is these are heavy. And I'm wondering if this particular model actually is more meant to be a lifestyle sneaker rather than a running sneaker. I don't know, because these are considerably heavier than my Ultra Boosts in hand. And I mean, okay, I can take the the paper wad out, but that's still definitely heavier than the Ultra Boosts and much heavier than these. I mean, this is the complete difference. So I don't know. I mean, the comfort is supposed to be out of this world. It's supposed to be great support for running, but yeah, I'm a little worried about the weight. You know, you don't want to be clonking along on longer runs because, well, maybe that just means I'll be training harder and getting stronger because I've got a heavier shoe. Maybe look at it that way. This is a training shoe and not a racing shoe. Alright, look on the bright side. Well, we'll see how it works out. I'll do an on-feet review and an on-feet performance running review. I like that it comes with actually 3 different pairs of extra laces. We got a black and a silver and like a kind of the burnt orange of the back, as opposed to the orange that it's got on here, which matches the toe box. So that's kind of fun to switch that out. I'll probably switch to the black because I'm a big fan of orange and black color. On close inspection, it's possible that these are heavier because there's some pretty quality materials on here, like the suede on the sneaker and stuff logo, and then on the opposite side where it has the Los Angeles 2019, I mean, it feels really premium. It's just buttery smooth suede. And I mean, we've got the prime knit upper, which should be pretty light, but they're definitely a heavier shoe, but it might just be because of the premium quality materials that were used. Expect a review on feet of these at some point, but for now, thanks for watching this unboxing, and I hope to see you on my future sneaker videos. I post mostly Japan video content, but I do an occasional sneaker video as well. Hit that like button and subscribe if you want to be sure not to miss anything, and thanks for watching this one.